Welcome to the University of Montevallo Carmichael Library Tour and Introduction to the Library as a Place. This is the second of 3 online tutorials. The goal of this set of tutorials is to get you familiarized with the library as a place and understand more details about the organization and culture of each floor of the library. Just a reminder that Carmichael Library has 3 floors: the ground floor, the first floor, sometimes called the main floor, and the second floor. In this tutorial, we will cover the culture and the services on the first floor of the Carmichael Library. The entrance doors to the first floor face the campus. The library first floor entrance is across from King House, and the first floor entrance is open when the library is open. Each floor of the library has its own culture. That is to say, some areas of the library are different and have different expectations, especially regarding noise levels. The first floor culture is a little different from the ground floor. When you're on the first floor in the library, it's okay to talk at a normal conversation level. But this floor should be a little bit more quiet than the ground floor. The first floor is a good place to study with 1 or 2 people. Remember, a big study group should meet on the ground floor. The first floor is designed for library business, computer use, individual study, and small group study. Due to COVID, the furniture is arranged to maintain social distance guidelines. Library business has to take place, so lots of conversations happen at the same time in the 3 service locations. There are 3 service points on the first floor: the circulation desk, the research help desk, and the digital media lab, sometimes called the DML. At the circulation desk, you can check out books, check out a Chromebook, DVDs, any kind of library material that can be checked out. You check it out at the circulation desk. You can also add money to your PaperCut account. Also, you can ask for reserves at the circulation desk. Sometimes professors will place books or DVDs or other material on reserve in the library. You go to the circulation desk and ask for the material that is on reserve for your course. Remember that a student ID is required to print and check out books, library material, and reserves. The second service point is the Research Help Desk. The Research Help Desk is where you go to find help with locating books, articles, and other sources for your assignments and research needs. A librarian is at the Research Help Desk to help you get started with your research. You could be looking for scholarly journal articles, or maybe you're just starting your research and looking for a topic. The librarians are trained to help you with research, and they are usually familiar with your assignments. The third service point on the first floor is the Digital Media Lab. The Digital Media Lab is often called the DML. It is available for students to use. It is a Mac-only lab. It also has 3D printers, scanners, and a sound lab. There's the Digital Media Student Assistant that can help you with the Macs and other multimedia equipment. There's a few things that might surprise you to know. On the first floor, there's a statue. The statue's been with the university since 1904. Also, the first floor, you'll see a lot of artwork done by our Montevallo art faculty. And we also have one of the largest children's literature and young adult collections in the Southeast. To recap, you now know more about the culture of the first floor, and you know there are 3 service points: the circulation desk, where you check out material or find out what your professor has put on reserve; the research help, where you can find a librarian to assist you with your research; the digital media lab, which has Macs, 3D printers, and a sound lab. This is the end of the introduction to the culture and services located on the first floor of the Carmichael Library. Thank you for listening, and please remember to take the quiz.